In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a table in Hostinger Website Builder step by step using a simple HTML embed method that works fast and gives you full control over the design. If you need to display pricing, schedules, comparisons, feature lists, or any kind of structured information, a table can make your page look much more professional and much easier to read. And the best part is, you do not need to build everything from scratch inside the editor. We'll create the table code first, then embed it into your Hostinger website in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser, go to hostinger.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, click on Websites on the left panel. You'll see your list of websites. Find the site you want to edit, then click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder where you can make changes to your page layout and content. Now, before we place the table into the website builder, we need to create the table HTML code. To do that, open a new tab and go to an online table generator like tablegenerator.d and click Open Generator button. This is a very helpful tool because it lets you build a table visually and then copy the HTML code without needing to code everything manually. Once the table generator loads, choose how many rows and columns you need for your table. Think about what you're trying to show on your website. If it's a pricing table, you might want columns for plan names, features, and prices. If it's a comparison table, you might want rows for each feature and columns for each option. After setting the structure, start filling in your content. Add your headers, your labels, and the actual text you want inside the cells. Then customize the appearance to match your site's style. You can usually adjust things like borders, alignment, spacing, and padding so the table looks clean and easy to read. Take a moment here to make it look good because a well-designed table can make a big difference in how professional your page feels. When everything looks the way you want, click Export HTML plus Tailwind on the right panel to view the HTML code. Then copy that HTML code to your clipboard by clicking the Copy to Clipboard button. Now, it's time to go back to your Hostinger Website Builder tab. On the left sidebar, click Elements. This is where Hostinger lets you add different blocks and elements to your page. Look for the embed code element. Once you find it, drag and drop it to the exact spot on your page where you want the table to appear. Placement matters, so make sure it goes where it best fits your layout and content flow. After dropping the embed element onto the page, click Enter Code. A field will appear where you can paste in the HTML code you copied from the table generator. Paste the full code into that field, then click Embed Code to insert it into your page. At this point, the table should appear inside your editor, and you can start checking how it fits with the rest of your design. Next, use the preview feature in the top bar to inspect how the table looks on both desktop and mobile. This step is really important because a table can look great on a large screen, but become cramped on a smaller phone display. If needed, go back and make small sizing adjustments on the canvas so the table stays readable and properly aligned. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, it's time to publish the page. You can click Update Website or Go Live in the top right corner to publish your changes. And just like that, your table is now live on your Hostinger website. So that's how to add a table in Hostinger Website Builder using an easy HTML embed workflow. It's a simple method, but it gives you a lot of flexibility and lets you create clean, professional tables in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Hostinger and web design tips, and I'll see you in the next one.